Well, it don't work. I don't know if the button's broken. Got it from brand new. Turned around, looked at, I'm like sick. I can't wait. Well, and I'm going to plug it back in. Not sure what happens. The battery will light up. If that's all that happens, I take it off. If the battery just stays on, it doesn't flash anymore, but it doesn't do anything. Won't connect to an app, won't nothing. Kind of a major piss off because I thought it was going to be a great little unit, considering I have multiple laser measurement tools that are by far more well-known brands in this, for sure. HOTO is supposed to be it's supposed to have pretty good things and like accurate measurements for small distances, versus most of my other laser measurement tools are for like up to 300 to 400 feet. I just like this one because it would have connected all my measurements to my app, and I do a lot of interior finishing work that would actually be very handy if it actually worked. It just don't.
So here is the HOTO Smart Laser Measure. Now, I'm inside and in the shade. It works. But if you go to a window that has any kind of sunlight at all, even if you put it in the shade right here, and you have the red dot on the other side in the shade, both in the shade, and you hit measure, it will just say no and give you a ruler with a little X on it. So, doesn't work if it's in any light at all. And I need it for Windows, so it's a going back to Amazon.
It is so compactable, like it is so small, and it is easy to travel with, and I absolutely love it. It's a very convenient thing, and I would definitely recommend it.